Hey, welcome back to Sailing on Big Bird. We're doing an experiment. We're playing with the alcohol stove. We're going to attempt to make some cheesy little biscuit things. We'll see if it works. I've never bothered to use the stove. I've used the grill, I've used the stove top. I've never bothered to use the actual oven part. So we'll see how it goes. Looks like it's warming up. It's a good sign. Can't read the thermometer because there's too much moisture in there. But it feels like there's heat coming out of it. I should probably maybe close the hatch up and maybe warm the boat up a little bit because it's not warm down here today. It's 45 degrees again. Had a quick little sail yesterday. Forgot to film it. Right now it's looks like it's well on its way to 20 knots again, but that's okay. I cleaned out the V-berth. I'm going to set this up, as much as I liked sleeping in the little weird thing, I liked having a standing closet too. But I also went around and stowed things in places. So maybe, just maybe, I'll have enough room on this boat to move around a little bit. But yeah, I still have a huge mess on the counter up here that I just have to go through and figure out where the hell everything goes. I would do some painting and whatnot today, but it's supposed to rain. But very gradually, very, very gradually, progress is getting made. Getting the boat ready for a sailing season. My sailing season really doesn't start till July 1st. That's when I have a break from work. No 4th of July fireworks this year, so I'm going to have to go find some someplace else. Let's see. Oh. Well, it looks like the thermometer doesn't work. So I'm guessing the stove's warm, but we'll find out. The thermometer still says it's still pegged at 0. So that's obviously not functioning. Unless it's in C. Oh. That wouldn't make any damn sense. But we're going to throw those biscuits in there and see if they do anything. Give them 10 minutes, see what happens. I'm just curious to find out if it worked. Because if it does, that wouldn't be that bad of a thing to eat when you're out sailing. But we'll find out. I have a painting. I was going to do some geometric stuff. I just haven't thought of it yet. Exactly how I want to do it. But we'll figure it out. But right now, I'm going to throw some biscuits in the oven. And then we'll see if they cook. Because I wouldn't mind having some biscuits. Not that I didn't already have hash browns with sausage for breakfast. But yeah, whatever. So, turns out the stove does work. We're going to pull these guys out of the oven because they're pretty much done. They're as done as they're going to get. They're browned on the bottom. I already tried one, so I'm not dead yet. Kind of wish I had a stick of butter to put on them. But look at those. We have a good place to put that. They are browned on the bottom. Stove did eventually get up to 350 degrees, which I consider a win. They're edible. Maybe next time I'll try crescent rolls. I can just chomp those things down like mad. There's also a really good boat bread recipe that got sent to me. So I might try that one of these times, and then do that for a long trip where I'm heading out someplace for the night or something, and then I'll make boat bread. Have everything on board to make it. But yeah, I'm continuing to organize. I'm thinking about where things are going to go. I'm thinking that right now I have a bunch of life jackets in the standing closet, and I think I'm going to take those out, and I'm going to put those into the life jacket thing in the back, because those are the life jackets I actually use. Those are the life jackets that just usually just end up in a pile down in the dinette. So I can take those and put them in the back where I can use them. The other ones that I never use, I don't think I've ever used, I put under the V-berth because you have to have them. But, I mean, I've got like, let's see, put 5 down there, I put 4 or 5 down there. I got 2 in the back still. There's 4 in the closet there. I mean, I've got enough. I did never have 14 people on the freaking boat, or however many it is. 9, 10, 11, 15. Yeah. Usually 3 or 4. That's about the max. So sometimes on a saucy day, I might have 6 or 8. But and often, you know, since a lot of my friends are sailors, they bring their own life jackets with them anyway. So yeah. But yeah, the ooh. A little rocky and rolly out here right now. But yeah, see how it goes. Boat's nice and warm right now. That oven really warms it up in here. But yeah, I'm gonna eat a biscuit and then here we go. A little crunchy. Tastes like bread. I'll call it a win. But yeah, I'll let you guys go. I'll finally get around to editing all this stuff probably tomorrow because it's supposed to be blowing 35 knots again. But after this, it's supposed to warm up. They're talking 70 degrees. 70 degrees is kind of awesome in May. If it's 70 degrees, I'm definitely taking the boat. I'll be going after work. I'll be going, you know, my long weekend. I'll take those, you know, go someplace. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, and hopefully next weekend we'll get some actually sailing. Did get all the sails up yesterday, and it was kind of fun. But yeah, we'll hopefully get a lot more of that. Talk to you later. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Bye.